Hi, I'm Haley.
And I'm Sam.
Today we are attempting to make super fluffy buttermilk pancakes.
Let's get started.
Here I have 6 cups of flour, and then 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and that's 1 teaspoon of salt.
Some chunky salt.
It's coarse kosher salt.
And are we putting sugar?
Yeah,
okay,
6
sugar.
tablespoons of sugar. I actually didn't see that over there. And we need to whisk that all together.
We're good.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Right out of the way.
big bowl.
Moving on to the wet ingredients.
6 eggs. Oh, that's loud. 6 eggs. Do you want to? Here, you crack some and I'll crack some. How many are you going to crack?
3.
Okay.
There's 6.
I know, but I was going to hand them to you one at a time. Oh, Sam, how do you keep spilling? Crack it on the inside. I don't think so. I think you're cracking it right there. See, on the inside. I mean, if you're not messy, it doesn't matter. Here, can you throw that away?
Boom, boom.
Basically, it's okay.
Alright.
Now, wash
You
your
wash your
hands. Now,
Alright.
6 cups of buttermilk. It's a lot of buttermilk.
Oh, these are both buttermilk. Okay.
This is gonna make a lot of pancakes. Yep.
Pancakes.
Now we have more buttermilk. That's not all of it.
And we got 2 more cups of buttermilk. Were we supposed to whisk the eggs?
Nah.
Okay.
And
Then we add butter?
9 tablespoons of melted butter.
Butter.
It's salted. I
Salty.
always use salted butter.
Alright.
And I'm going to use the same whisk.
To whisk it.
It's so, there's so much, it's like gonna come out of the bowl.
It was a lot.
It is really hard to whisk this much.
That's why you're supposed to whisk the eggs before you pour the stuff in.
That's not what the instructions say. I think it's done.
All right.
Okay, now bring the big bowl. I'm gonna need some help. We don't use the spatula anymore.
Whisk.
Yeah, we do not use the whisk anymore. Throw it over here. Don't touch it. Wipe up your spot because you made a mess. Now we pour this into there.
We're assuming they're making a mess.
I mean,
Alright, go.
are you gonna need your help or it all? Yeah, I mean, you don't really need the spatula because it's so liquidy. Now, we're just going to gently fold in the flour with the wet ingredients, but don't overmix it because it makes a very dense pancake. You actually want it to be a little bit undermixed. I'm gonna heat up my griddle. Medium low would be like 300. We've got some more butter because butter is the best thing ever. And I'm gonna butter my pancake griddle. Do you want to be the flipper or the
I'll be the
scooper?
flipper.
Okay,
I don't know when to flip.
I'll tell you when. It's not ready. When when it looks like a pancake, you know, when it looks like you can flip it, because right now it's still like whatever it is, liquidy, I guess. No. We're using a 1/3 cup to scoop out the batter. These are making giant pancakes, but we have a lot of pancake batter. Oh, Sammy. Oh, no, they're touching. Don't let your pancakes touch. It's the end of the world.
Can't flip.
Sam, you can do it. You can do it. Hey, that one looks pretty ready too.
They're all pretty ready.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Just flip it. Side. You can do it. Yay! Woo! Oh, it looks like a good pancake, doesn't it? Don't press it down though, because then it makes it like.
Oh, less fluffy.
Yeah, it makes it flat. We want fluffy pancakes, like IHOP pancakes. Those are the best pancakes. Oh, it's Sam! Oh, okay. It's okay. Yeah, that one's definitely ready to be flipped.
Oh, yeah.
I can see it like, it's almost cooked all the way through.
Oh my gosh.
Sam, it's falling. Okay, these are beautiful. Like.
Thanks.
Do you want to try it? Just. Spatulas double as knives, if you didn't know that, by the way.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, these are very hot.
Ooh.
They feel fluffy, though.
Right?
Mmm.
Mm.
They're so fluffy.
Mm.
I've never made pancakes this good. I'm gonna cry. I wouldn't say it's the best day of my life.
Okay.
Pretty good though. There you have it. Here is the secret. Not really a secret though, because everybody's always saying it. I just never listened. It's okay to see flour in your batter when you pour it on.
Yeah.
That's what they mean by don't overmix it. And these are the best pancakes I've ever had.
Ooh, delicious. Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Pancakes. Whisk it up, whisk it up. I'm gonna heat up my thing. What? What is it called?